In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable mobile anti-thief. Tap on setting and swipe down, and you should find password and security, and scroll down. You will see mobile anti-thief. You need to turn on this so you can use like find my device or unlock capture. You can also synchronize to cloud, but you need to have Infinix account to do that. So make sure to log in, and you should be able to send the capture unlock. If like somebody have tried to power off your phone and they input the wrong password, it will capture the photo. Here is the thief alert as well, so you can also turn on this one. You can enable this and input the password. And next here is find my device. You can also enable this and set the password. So now basically once you guys have turned this power verification on, so what's going to happen is if you turn off the phone just like this on lock screen, and then somebody try to open up the phone and wrong password, and he might ended up on powering off your phone. Well, now if he try to power this off, there you go, you need to put that verification. You need to fingerprint verification or whatever. So if he fail like twice a time, it will save the photo. So let me do that. So alright, so now I'm trying to powering off this phone. For example, this phone has been stolen. So you see this is the power button. If I try to tap on power button, and now if I do like something wrong here, like 2 or 3 times, and your face has been captured here because alright, so let me unlock my phone and show you the gallery here. Also, you'll get some notification like someone tried to unlock your phone. If you don't know, then you need to tap here and check it out. Well, there you go. So that's me. So these are the photo that I tried to unlock, but yeah, and I put the wrong password, and this is what it captured. Ain't that cool? So mobile anti-thief feature is very good in such a budget range. So alright, this is how you can enable mobile anti-thief and secure your phone. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.